Welcome to our exciting tutorial on bringing your dream bungalow to life. In this engaging video, we will guide you through the entire process of creating your perfect bungalow, whether you're planning a new construction or a renovation. Imagine a stunning bungalow designed just for you, where every detail reflects your personal style and preferences. The design development package takes your conceptual plans to the next level by transforming them into detailed architectural drawings and specifications. This stage involves the creation of 3D models, floor plans, elevations, and other technical documentation necessary for construction. Here is the scope of work of the Bungalow Design Development Package. With our Easy Scope of Work Index, you can easily explore different sections and details of the presentation. Professional Introduction. In the professional introduction, you'll meet our talented designers and learn about their expertise. By understanding our designers' background, you'll feel confident in their abilities and establish trust. 2. Requirements. Your requirements are essential to our designer. In this section, our designer will outline your specific needs, preferences, and expectations. Number 3. Site analysis. First, our designers carefully study the physical features of the site. They examine the land's shape, slope, and natural elements. Additionally, they take into account the climate of the location, including factors like temperature, sunlight, wind direction. Number 4. Area program. Our designer will have a detailed conversation with you to understand the purpose of each room and space in your building or project. Number 5. Form and volume. Form refers to the shape and overall composition of a building, while volume relates to the three-dimensional mass and occupied space. Our architects consider these elements to craft visually appealing designs that also maximize the functional use of space. Number 6. Massing. Our architects carefully study how different shapes and sizes of buildings work together and fit into the environment. Number 7. Orientation. In architecture, orientation refers to how a building is positioned in relation to its surroundings and the directions of north, south, east, and west. Architects pay close attention to where your building is placed to make the most of important factors like sunlight, views, wind patterns, and the local climate. By carefully considering the orientation, they can maximize natural light, take advantage of beautiful views, harness beneficial winds, and create a comfortable and energy-efficient environment for you. Number 8. Public and private spaces. In a residence, public spaces are accessible areas like lobbies and shared facilities that promote social interaction. Private spaces, such as bedrooms and bathrooms, prioritize privacy and personal retreat. Number 9. Zoning. Zoning in residence architecture simply means dividing a residential building into different areas, each with a specific function. This clever technique is used to optimize the functionality and comfort of your home. 10. Rough layout of bungalow. During the presentation, our designer will share a rough sketch of the bungalow's layout. This simple drawing helps us start the conversation and work together. Number 11. Conceptual sketches 3D reference. Conceptual sketches and 3D references are like pictures that we use at the beginning of a design project. They help us come up with ideas and show you how things will be placed in the space. Number 12. Site development plan. A site development plan is like a detailed map that architects use to show how a building or project will be arranged on the land. It considers various factors to ensure everything fits well, functions smoothly, and follows the necessary regulations. Architects consider how the outdoor areas will be arranged, including gardens, pathways, and other elements. Number 13. Floor plans. Floor plans in architecture are visual representations of a building's layout, showing the arrangement of rooms, walls, doors, and windows from a top-down perspective. Number 14. Material palette exterior. Choosing the right materials, colors, textures, and finishes for the outside of the building. It's like selecting the ingredients to create a complete and beautiful look. The materials we choose have a big impact on the style and overall appearance of the structure. Number 15. Elevation. The purpose of an elevation is to help you understand how the outside of the building will appear and how all the elements will fit together. Number 16. Section with levels. In architecture, a section with levels is like a special drawing that shows a slice through a building. 17. 3D renders. In architecture, 3D renders are computer-generated images or animations that show a lifelike representation of a building or design. 18. Block estimate. To help you with budgeting, a designer will provide an estimate of the project's cost based on the agreed-upon design and material selections. Thank you for watching our work sample video on Bungalow Design Development Package. I hope you have understood its scope of work and its deliverables. Thank you. Sabka Mangal Ho.